Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean an air filter on a zero turn lawnmower. So this is a Craftsman Z560. What we're going to do is we're going to take off this this cover, and it's just these two screws right here. Now I have a clip here. This is just for a GoPro, so yours isn't going to have this if you have the same kind of lawnmower. So just take this off and then set it aside. And then here's your air filter. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out, take a look at it, make sure everything looks fine. So this is dirty, which is fine. It's pretty normal. What we're going to do is take a clean rag and jam it in here so nothing gets in there while we're working in here. So the inside looks good. We're just going to clean off this outside sock. So this will come off. This is going to need to be replaced eventually, but right now we're just going to clean it. Now I have an air compressor, and I'm just using the little attachment. So what we're going to do is just, like I said, we're just going to spray this down. Alright, so I will need to replace this, but right now, like I said, we're just going to clean it off. While you have it off too, it's always best to find out what your part number and serial number or your part number is, and it should be written right there. Snaps right back into place. Easy. Put the lid back on. Done.